Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram story from close friends to everyone. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open Instagram and log into your account, and then you gotta click on your story over here. So if you have added the story to close friends, you'll be able to see this green icon over here. So you can see all your close friends over here. But if you wish to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone, I've got you covered. First thing that you gotta do is click on this more icon over here, that is the three dots, and then you gotta click on save. After that, you gotta click on save photo, and now you can see it says save to camera roll. Next, you gotta go back and click on the three dots again, and you gotta click on delete story. Simply delete this close friend story. Once it's deleted, you gotta go to your story again and select the picture that you just downloaded. That was this one. And this time, instead of clicking on closed friends, you gotta click on your story and wait for it to get uploaded. You can see it's saying uploading. Just wait for some time. And now when you go to your story, you can see there's no green icon and your story is public and anyone can see your story. And that is basically how you can change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.